Today we have the Veloster N in the Performance Blue. Go far.
Yeah. He's like, yo, I saw an auction and
Wow.
Canisbay 148.
There we go. Canisbay Lake. Ooh, hell yeah. Sounds so much different in sports mode. So stiff and unmowed.
So you share two cars?
I feel like Topher with the
Topher?
Yeah.
Where's he live? Somewhere cold or warm?
Michigan, I feel like.
Michigan.
Yeah, it's pretty close to Canada.
Cold.
Okay. We're here. We? Oh, wait, we're here.
Yeah. Here. There.
Okay. Go
We
straight.
need to go
Straight.
past there. And
The
then
first right.
here. No, second right. Is what's it? Oh, is that just a?
First right, yeah, there's the first right.
Then this is our
First
street.
right. Then another right. And then a left. 148 exactly, is our
Yeah.
spot? Okay. If anything.
This is 102.
This is 148.
This is 148? Then
Yeah.
that's our site.
Okay. Where would our tent be? Made it. Kiss.
Listen,
See that camera? See that? You got POV versions. Oh my god, we're so close. No. It's here. Golly. I'm gonna charge it.
Oh, this is open. What are you talking about? There? They're in the water.
What's that? Focus RS.
Where are we going down? I want to go up. I guess we can't go up. It's in the sky.
Yeah, I don't have a thing.
Strap? This is a strap.
Yo guys, we're doing this trail right now. It's called Fork fork knife, and then we're here at stop number 4.
Out of what? We don't know.
I think 4 out of 18. So we're cooked. Yeah, I don't think we're even halfway there, chat. But look at the view. Nice. Sun is beaming down. It's very hot. Huh? Did we come back? Where did I come back? I don't know. One trail. That's it. One time. No do-overs. Yeah. Oh, Algonquin? Hell yeah. There's so much to explore. Yeah, do all the trails. Yeah, maybe next year I'll get a better e-bike and I can go bike trails. Oh, I see number 5. Number 5. Oh, this gotta be slippery when it's raining. Jeez. Someone gonna die.